So you're thinking about moving to the Las Vegas, Nevada area and your budget is around 900,000, but you want to keep it below that. Well, in this video, we're going to show you two properties. One is going to be below that 900,000, actually in the mid eights, and one is actually going to be in the mid sixes. So just to give you a nice little kind of comfort. But before we raise the curtain, I'd love for you guys to make sure you subscribe below, tap that bell for notification, give us a thumbs up, all that kind of great stuff. Before I do that, let me do this really quickly because my dog's good. There we go. All right, tap that bell for notification. And if you happen to like either one of these beautiful properties, please make sure you reach out to us. You can send us a direct message. You can email us. You can text us if you feel more comfortable that way. You can even set up a Zoom consultation with us where we can talk to you about these properties. And if not these properties, then maybe another future property. As we always like to say, guys, let the show begin because we're getting after it right now. Okay, so we're just gonna walk you guys through these beautiful properties and let you enjoy. So this first property is going to be a 2-story home. Our property number 2 is actually going to be a 3-story level, and that one's gonna have that beautiful 360-degree rotation or view all around the southwest sort of Las Vegas Valley area. Can't wait for you guys to see that one at the end, and I'll check in with you at the end of these two beautiful tours. If you want to come behind me, back towards the front door. Okay. Thank you so much. And then come over to this side for me. Are you gonna stay there? Okay, that's fine. Stay there and I'll do a zoom around. Oh, okay, gotcha. All right, toilet coming up. So we really hope that you guys enjoyed these two beautiful homes. And what about that 360 view, right? Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Now, again, these are move-in ready properties. Again, please subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications. If these two properties for some reason don't work for you, we could definitely still go out there and find you some other great properties where we are able to help you. We know right now people are so concerned about the interest rates. They're high in the 7, so forth and so on. And we really want to make sure that we can get you guys comfortable as far as your monthly mortgage and all those different types of things. We are helping sellers right now in this market. We just know we get it. When so many people are out there being very concerned about the market, we actually want to encourage you to really look at the stats, look at the information, get connected with a trusted advisor, get all that information you need so you can make a great decision. When everyone's excited about the real estate market and they're buying up properties, that's probably the time we really want to be worrying. But let's do some homework for you and your family, and let's see if these great opportunities that are out here, because these builders need to move these homes, let's see if these great opportunities can work for you. Again, we look forward to helping you guys move here to the Las Vegas area, helping you find a beautiful property. If you need to get a property sold, of course, like we say as well, make sure you reach out. We'd love to be of service. DM, text us, emails. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.